Welcome to Sierra Bay. This is a brand new complex here in Camdenton. We have 30 units total in this building, and what you're in right now is 2A. This is one of the model units here. You can see this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, huge concrete decks with a storage area. These units were designed for low maintenance and for room for all of your guests, so you all have privacy. I've got a bedroom off here to the right, I have a bedroom off to the left, and it's separated here by the full bath that also provides an ensuite access for your bedroom here on the left. You can see that there's high-end flooring here, again upgraded countertops in all the bathrooms including the kitchen, and you've got a huge master suite lakeside. Here at Sierra Bay, we offer not just one, but 2 swimming pools for your enjoyment. You have elevator access, and I'm telling you, there's not many left here in this brand new project, so you better act fast. These decks are huge and spacious. You have all concrete decks, and you can just see from your view, it is amazing. And you have minimal steps, if not no steps, down to your dock slips. For more information about this beautiful unit and the other ones available here at Sierra Bay, please call Krantz & Associates, Remax Lake of the Ozarks, 573-302-2355.